In this VCW video, we're taking a look at a traffic stop that happened on October 27th in Milton, Florida, after a sheriff's deputy pulled over a woman for impeding the flow of traffic on Interstate 10. She'd been driving in the left lane going 64 miles per hour with cars behind her and didn't move to let them pass.
Have you got your registration on you as well for the vehicle?
I don't.
Okay. Okay. I got you. It's not in the glove box or anything? No? Okay.
The woman hadn't even opened her glove box to check for her registration, leaving the officer suspicious she may be hiding something. So once he got back to his car, he'd call for a backup officer, as well as a canine officer.
I'm not crazy about where we're at.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
Hello. Hey, how you doing?
I'm okay.
In just a minute, when he clears, would you just mind parking over here on this side? We don't want that.
Yeah, it's just like the same.
Yeah, no, I need you to go here to the right.
The officer later said he suspected the woman had deliberately parked there to discourage a search of the van.
She thought she was being smart and stopped, you know, where the two lanes merge right here?
Yeah.
That's where she parked at, right in the middle. And I got up, I told him, tell her to pull over this way.
Yeah.
She's doing that so we can't get in there and search the car. Nice try, though.
After she moved, the officers asked her to step out in preparation for the canine's arrival.
Hey, go ahead and step out for me real quick. I'm sorry?
Am I under arrest?
No, you're not under arrest, but step out for me real quick. I'm sorry?
I'm sorry.
Well, I want to talk to you back here instead of on the side of the road. Okay?
Yeah.
Step back here.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
We've got room in my, let me make sure my front seat back there. You got room over there. Walk to this side. Here.
Okay, I'm confused at what's going on.
Well, he's going to talk to you while he looks up your information. Right now,
But I've been, it shouldn't take that long to...
it shouldn't, but right now we can give you a court appearance for
Yeah,
not
that's
checking.
fine. I'll
So he's got to take care of all that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Just while he talks to you.
Sure.
Talk to you here. Let me get this.
Are you in okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, turn that off.
No, I'm not
Ma'am?
going to. For
You're
my
gonna-
safety, I'm going to leave.
You're going to turn that off
No,
because
I'm
we
not.
have here.
Yeah, but your cameras
Ma'am?
aren't for my safety.
Ma'am, I'm going
No.
to tell you one last
Sir?
time. Turn the camera off. Leave your phone here. You can record, but we're not going to have a conversation with somebody else.
She's not going to speak. She is my witness.
Put your phone up here.
Here, okay, just go. You
Just put it right there.
I'll hang up.
You can keep it on. Just put it up there. I
No,
don't
no,
want it in
just
your
stay
hand.
on the phone, please.
Keep her on the phone. Just put it up there. Same thing with your keys. Put your keys up there. Nothing in your hands.
What?
Okay?
Okay.
It's all being recorded.
It's fine. I just feel safer if somebody other than you is recording or is with me.
That's fine.
Okay?
But we just don't want anything in your hands, okay?
That's fine. I don't know how my... Oh, well, maybe my spray. I'm not going to spray you.
I'm sorry, what?
I won't spray you.
You want what? What?
Spray you?
Oh,
It
no.
was a
She won't.
Yeah, I
She
know.
said she won't spray us. That's a good
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, won't.
Yeah.
So why didn't you get your tag? Is it a money thing or what? What's going on with that?
One, I didn't know that you had to change it 30 days. He just informed me of
Required
that.
30
Yeah,
days.
but-
Does
oh.
she have a Florida license or a...
I just...
Florida license, yeah.
And sometimes for the people, they don't do the registration because it costs
Well,
more
and
money.
money's tight, you know,
Okay.
but it goes out on my birthday. And so I just was waiting, and I had to get my title.
A lot of people do that, okay?
Yeah,
But
I
it's,
didn't
it's
know.
required. Well, yeah, but just because you don't know doesn't mean it's in the
Right,
law.
I understand that, and I am totally fine with taking a court date if that's what I need to do. Though I heard the courthouse is no longer in the courthouse
It's what?
position. They moved the courthouse.
Yeah, it's right here up on Avalon.
Uh,
And you could also do it. Do you live down in Gulf Breeze? Down the
Yeah.
south end? You can go to the courthouse annex down there,
oh, okay.
by the zoo.
Wait, no, I meant like if I take a court date. That you don't do court at the annex, right?
Oh, no, I thought you were
Yeah.
talking about changing your stuff.
No, I know I can change my stuff at
Well,
the
he doesn't have to give you that. He can give you a warning for that.
Right, that's what I'm...
But the thing is, this way it notates it.
Yeah,
It's in our
that's
system.
fine. So
and it
you
just
know
says
that I know, and yeah.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
We're not trying to jam you up with tickets, but we do want to document it.
That's fine. I just like to get pulled out of a vehicle, you know, You never know.
Well, I don't know if you could pull off on the interstate. We work the interstate. It's safer
Right.
for us because you saw how he was standing there and I'm standing there. That's not safe for us.
Right.
Here, it's less likely we're going to get hit, and it's also safer for you because there's a roll cage in case somebody crashes into us. You're protected. I'm not protected standing out here.
Yeah, I don't know. You want to hop in the back seat?
No. It's crowded back there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, I didn't know that cops handled the interstate. I thought that was state troopers. No.
What do you need?
See? Learning all kinds of new things today.
Knowledge, power.
Knowledge is power.
His name is Ford, the officer that pulled me over. Yeah, he's a car.
I actually don't like Fords. I prefer Chevys.
Because they circled the problem.
This
huh?
last name wasn't like Hyundai or something.
Yeah,
Or
it's true.
armpit.
It's true. Could be worse.
It could be armpit. There really is an officer in Alabama named Pitts.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Well, there's actually one named Outlaw. I know of a cop named Outlaw, and I
That would
know
be a
another
pretty
one
cool
called
last name.
Justice, and one with the last name Handcuff.
Did they change their last names or are they natural
That's
last
what
names?
it was.
Somewhere along the line, they got altered.
All right, I'm just gonna give you a warning on the left lane, and I'll give you a warning on the other as
Okay,
well. So
I
I'm just
appreciate
filling this
that.
out right now. That just took a little bit for the Texas return to come back, so that's
Right, because you have to.
yeah. So, where did you say you're coming?
Panama City.
Just hanging out with some friends out there.
Yeah,
Boyfriend.
I stepped in ants.
Yeah, you know, internet dating, it sucks. You can't really like choose where they're from on the internet. You just put
So
preferences.
what is that? Like a 2-hour drive?
2.5.
Oh, wow.
About, yeah. Depending on traffic.
Okay, so while I'm filling this out,
So what's the other guy here for?
that is a canine officer.
Okay, yeah. Of course.
Hey, get history. She's got history with us with narcotics. Also, she was part of a meth lab investigation. She did not want to get out of the vehicle, and was real argumentative about that. Taking her phone with her, this, that, and the other. Coming from Panama City, so that's kind of where we're at with her.
Well, sometimes they show up if they see a traffic stop and they're in the area, and other times we call them.
Yeah, you called him though.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna ask you: is there anything in the vehicle? Anything that's not supposed to be anything in the vehicle? Anything illegal?
No.
Anything on you?
No.
Okay.
I knew why you had me on the side of the road for so long. I'm not stupid.
What do you mean for so long? This isn't any longer than.
Yeah, you're not even typing though. See?
Yes, I am.
It's okay.
Do you see all these pages I've already filled in? I'm gonna do one at a time here.
Charles Robert 9, Charles Edward, CR29CE.
This is stupid. I'm going to jail just because they want me to.
Well, you're not going to jail if we don't find anything.
There's nothing in there.
Well, if there's nothing in there, you've nothing to worry about.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're good.
Can I ask why you're putting gloves on?
Because I'm going to search your vehicle in a minute.
No.
They're going to come over and explain everything to you.
Yeah, I'm sure. No, it's cool. Like, I knew them. I knew.
I know, but just don't get it out. It's okay. Just don't get it out. You don't worry about it. There's nothing in your car. Don't worry
No,
about it.
yeah, there's nothing. So, like,
It's
whatever.
okay. So just don't say nothing.
It's just frustrating.
Okay, he's going to talk to you real quick, okay?
Yeah,
Hey, how's it going?
it's going.
I hear you. I'm Deputy Hopkins with Santa Rosa. So, the dog alerted the odor of narcotics in the vehicle, okay? Is there anything in there you ain't
There's
supposed to have?
nothing in there.
Nothing in there? Anything on you you're not supposed to have?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm just going to run down a list of things. This is a simple yes or no. Simple yes or no answer, okay? Any methamphetamine in the vehicle?
No.
Any heroin in the vehicle?
No, they're
Any-
going off of my past record.
Ma'am,
No.
we're going to turn the phone off if you keep doing that, talking back and forth.
Yeah.
Talk
Simple,
to him.
simple
No,
yes or
there's
no.
nothing in
Simple
there.
yes or no answer.
No.
No heroin?
No.
Okay, no MDMA, ecstasy?
No.
No crack cocaine?
No.
No fentanyl?
No.
Okay.
Is
All
it
right.
because of my Texas plates?
No.
Oh,
Well, what's up with your past? What do you mean your past?
nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Well, it means something if you just brought it up.
Well,
So, I've never met you before. That's why I'm asking.
He called you because he looked up my past records and stuff.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
haven't been in any trouble in 3 years. I moved back to Florida for my daughter to be closer to family.
Okay, I got you. I got you. So yeah, just recent past narcotic possession. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
But like,
That's not. I'm just asking. I'm trying to just.
Before my daughter was born.
Okay. When? Sorry.
And
When
I
was that?
completed. My daughter was born in 2020.
Okay.
And I completed probation.
Gotcha.
And I,
Okay. All right. Cool.
Whatever.
So, the only reason I ask, I just try to get a picture of why I'm out here. Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right. So what we're gonna do? Just let you know, we have probable cause to search the vehicle. So I'm just gonna search it real quick, and then we're gonna have somebody to come search you. Okay.
Yeah.
And then as long as everything's good to go, we'll get you out of here. Okay. Sound good? I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay. So stupid.
I mean, they got the dog hit, of course, and they're gonna.
Yeah, the dog's gonna hit if they want the dog to hit. Period.
I know that. I know. But don't worry about it.
Oh yeah. Argumentative about it. That's probably on her.
Is that why? Why'd you?
Is what? Why?
What? I'm just asking. Why did you call the K9? Personally,
Because of your nervousness when I was talking to you.
because
and
I
then
was
when
nervous.
Well, I'll tell you if you want me to tell you. Because
Yes,
of
I
your
do.
nervousness while I was talking to you. And then when I came back and saw your history, so I asked for a canine.
Yeah,
Nothing
that's
wrong
fine.
with that. That's our job. Is to
No,
find
I
crime,
know,
so-
but like it's history.
I understand.
It's
And look,
history.
if that's
And that's
If
why
that's the case, then
anybody
that's
has
awesome.
nervousness. Once you have history somewhere, you're gonna be nervous.
everybody has nervousness. I mean, I still get nervous if I get pulled over because I don't want to.
Even she has no history, and she gets nervous when
I get nervous when I get pulled over. And I
it's
don't.
just stupid. I'm just tired of this.
Okay.
This is
Well,
why
you
I
got
didn't-
pulled over for a legal reason. Okay.
for not changing lanes fast enough.
You sat over there for over a minute, going under the speed limit.
Over,
There were
but
two
I
cars
was
behind
passing.
you.
But I was
You weren't
passing the
anymore.
vehicle,
Listen,
and
I'm not going to argue
No,
with
that's
you. I'm
fine,
trying to
you're
write you
right.
a warning.
I know
Okay.
you're trying to write
You got
me
pulled
off.
over for a legal reason. I had no idea who you were. Once I talked to you, I noticed the nervousness, saw your history, all of that. So I called a canine. That's my job, is to investigate things. If you're mad at me for investigating,
I'm
I
not
don't know what
mad
to
at
tell
you for investigating. I'm mad because this is Santa Rosa County at its finest. Like, there are real crimes happening
What
all
year
the
is
time.
that? What year is that band? Do you
It's
know?
a 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
She still has meth sores and everything on her.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
narcotic, whatever.
Yeah. That's a lie.
There are real crimes that go on all the time, and y'all are with somebody because I'm nervous when you pulled me over.
Well, do you know where those real crimes are happening?
Everywhere.
Do you want to tell us where they're at? Because right now we're looking for crime. That's why
They're looking for
I'm
crime.
investigating this.
I thought
That's our job. Is to
your
look for
job
crime
is to serve and protect. That is your job. Serve and protect.
and enforce the law because we're law enforcement
Yes, but not
officers.
to search out and harass people, which is what's going
Search
on.
out and look for crime. That is our job.
No, look for crime is nowhere in your definition of your
I'm not
job.
going to keep arguing with you.
I'm not arguing. I'm just saying this is so stupid. I'm so over this. This is why I didn't want to move back, Farrah, right here, because I'm
If
always
there's
going to be a
nothing
target.
in your vehicle, there's nothing to
nothing
worry
in
about.
my vehicle, but
then
it
there's
doesn't
nothing
matter.
to worry about.
All my stuff is going to be dumped out everywhere.
But you need to clean your car anyway.
I know, but that's not the point. Like,
No, I'm just kidding. I'm shedding light on your situation, dear.
I know, positive. Well, at least there's a lot of stuff for them to go through.
Yes. I can imagine you got a lot of shit in your car.
Yeah. Well, cleaning supplies, junk, bags, like, jeez Louise.
So you want to be here
It'll
alone?
be a while, yeah.
It's a joke.
And I'm joking back.
Yeah. Let's see.
we've surpassed joking. I think because like
Accepting and
that's-
joking.
I'm not. I'm just aggravated.
2500 on.
Her glove box is locked.
Oh, okay. Let me get her keys from her.
Okay.
I might.
Turn around. It'll be turn around this time for you because, you know.
Oh yeah, no. No, you need a warrant.
Ma'am, I'm going to ask you one time, and then I'm going to take you out of the vehicle and put you in handcuffs.
That's fine. You need a warrant.
Give me your keys
No.
now.
You need a warrant. Call. No. You need a warrant. I
Get
know
out.
the law.
Get out of the vehicle. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
You need a warrant. God damn it! They need a warrant.
Grab your handcuff on her.
Get a warrant. I know my rights, dude.
Also checking her sleeves as well.
Yeah, checking my sleeves because I'm hiding all kinds of.
Well, you're going to jail now.
For what?
Dang it.
Resisting arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Yes, you are.
I'm not under. Why am I under arrest?
I already told you, let go of those keys now.
No, get off.
Ma'am?
You need a warrant to
Let go of those keys now. Then just start peeling her fingers open.
You need a warrant.
She's got the spray still.
Get off
It's,
of me.
I think it's fell out. Let's go ahead and put her in the back of your car.
God damn it. You just. Sarah,
Got her here?
you need a warrant.
Yeah, we're 10-4.
Call-
Detain.
This is up here.
Calm down, or you're about to get put on the ground.
Illegal as fuck.
It's not.
Yes, it is. I know my rights.
Get down. Do not get in my face. You understand me?
I'm not in your face. You need a warrant to. Yeah.
Is it the glove box?
Yeah, glove box.
That's why I asked her for a registration and she wouldn't look in the glove box earlier.
She's got a firearm.
There you go, right here, bro. It's in there with it.
It's in there.
She wouldn't give me the registration. She wouldn't open her glove box and look for the registration.
Yep. And a gun?
Was it meth?
I think so. I'm not sure.
We'll take that out. I got the thing in the back. We can open that.
Go ahead and empty this.
Whoever clean it.
Yeah, it's meth.
Dude, you used to work in here. What's up with these guys? Do they do this on purpose?
Man, like.
I feel like they do it on purpose.
Just like you guys.
I feel like this guy looks like he's got to pee. We do what we do on purpose. Find crime and arrest people for it.
Yeah.
For felonies, yeah.
Yeah, harass people.
The woman was charged with resisting with violence, possession of a controlled substance, and possession of paraphernalia. During her trial, she tried to suppress the evidence found in her car, arguing the detention was so long it violated her constitutional rights. But the court would deny her motion to suppress and move forward with the case, giving her a 270-day jail sentence.
Looks like she's got a house cleaning business. Yeah, maybe. Judging by her car, I wouldn't have her cleaning my house.